Hello, my dear friend. I am very happy you are here with me today. Welcome to Easy English. English for beginners. My name is Alex. Take one slow breath with me, in and out. Good. Feel calm. Feel relaxed. Today is not about stress. Today is not about difficult grammar. Today is about speaking. Simple speaking. Real speaking. Today, we will talk about your daily life, your morning, your afternoon, your evening. These are simple topics, but they are powerful because daily English is real English. You do not need perfect English. You need practice, and we will practice together. Before we start, listen carefully. Many students think, my English is bad. But that is not true. Your English grows every time you speak, every time you listen, every time you repeat. Say this with me. My English is improving every day. Again. My English is improving every day. Very good. You do not need 1,000 difficult words. You need 50 useful sentences. Simple sentences. Daily sentences. Clear sentences. When you repeat simple sentences, your brain becomes stronger in English. Confidence comes from repetition. Confidence comes from practice, not from perfection. Let me guide you. Step 1. Listen first. Just listen. Let your brain relax. Step 2. Shadow. Shadow means speak at the same time as me. Step 3. Repeat alone. I speak. You speak. When you speak. Speak clearly. Open your mouth. Use your voice. Do not be shy. This is your practice time. Are you ready? Let's begin. The morning is the start of your day. Listen, I wake up at 7 a.m. Again. I wake up at 7 a.m. Now you. I wake up at 7 a.m. Good. I turn off my alarm. Repeat. I turn off my alarm. Turn off means stop. Stop the sound. I get out of bed. Repeat. I get out of bed. Very nice. Now, a small conversation. Host. What time do you wake up, listener? I wake up at 6:30. A.m. Repeat. I wake up at 6:30 a.m. Host. Do you wake up early? Listener. Yes, I wake up early. Or no, I wake up late. Repeat both. Yes, I wake up early. No, I wake up late. Now, more morning actions. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. Repeat. I wash my face. I take a shower. Repeat. I take a shower. Good. Now think in English. What do you do after you wake up? Say it in English. Very good. More practice. I make breakfast. Repeat. I make breakfast. I drink tea. Repeat. I drink tea. I eat bread and eggs. Repeat. I eat bread and eggs. Breakfast is the first meal of the day. After breakfast, I go to work. Repeat. I go to work. Or I go to school. Repeat. I go to school. Morning review. Let's review slowly. I wake up early. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Again. I wake up early. I eat breakfast. I go to work. Very good. Now we move to the afternoon. Listen. I start work at 9 a.m. Repeat. I start work at 9 a.m. I check my messages. Repeat. I check my messages. Check means look at. I have a meeting. Repeat. I have a meeting. A meeting is when people talk about work. Now conversation. Host. Are you busy today? Listener. Yes, I am busy today. Repeat. Yes, I am busy today. Or no, I am not busy today. Repeat. No, I am not busy today. Good. More sentences. I work on a project. Repeat. I work on a project. A project is important work. I take a short break. Repeat. I take a short break. A break means rest. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. Repeat. I eat lunch at 1 p.m. I eat rice and chicken. Repeat. I eat rice and chicken. Now think. What do you eat for lunch? Say it in English. Very nice. Afternoon review. I start work. I check my messages. I eat lunch. I take a break. Again, slowly. I check my messages. I take a break. Excellent. Now, let's relax and talk about the evening. I finish work at 6 p.m. Repeat. I finish work at 6 p.m. I go home. Repeat. I go home. I cook dinner. Repeat. I cook dinner. I eat with my family. Now, conversation.host. What do you do in the evening? Listener. I watch TV. Repeat. I watch TV. I read a book. Repeat. I read a book. I relax. 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 Relax means feel calm. Before bed. I brush my teeth. Repeat. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I 10 p.m. Repeat. I go to bed at 10 p.m. Evening review. I finish work. I cook dinner. I relax. I go to bed. Again slowly. I relax. I go to bed. Very good. Listen first. Host. How was your day? Listener. My day was good. Repeat. My day was good. Host. What did you do today? Listener. I worked and studied English. Repeat. I worked and studied English. Excellent. Today you practiced morning English. Afternoon English. Evening English. You spoke real-life sentences. Simple sentences are powerful. Say this with me. Small practice every day makes big progress. Again, small practice. You are improving. You are improving. You are growing. You are becoming more confident. Practice 5 minutes every day. Speak out loud. If this lesson helped you, like the video. Subscribe to Easy English, English for Beginners, and continue practicing with me. Take one last slow breath in and out. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, my friend.